In this video, I'm going to show you how to add designs to your clay with the Sgraffito technique. You're going to start with your clay. This clay has just been made. It's not even leather hard yet. You could wait until it's at the leather stage. This is the glaze. I'm going to put it to velvet underglaze, and I chose turquoise. I'm also going to gather some other supplies like some paintbrushes, and I have a cup of water and a paper towel. Now, I was going to include a clip of me painting the entire thing with glaze, but you guys kind of know how that would be. You just apply it with a paintbrush. It's pretty simple. I use the big paintbrush for the big areas, and I'm using this small paintbrush to apply glaze in these little nooks and crannies, making sure I get in between all those little spots in my handle. What I also wanted to do was let the glaze dry for a little while and go back and add a second coat of glaze. You can even let it dry and go back and add a third coat if you would like to. So now my whole pot is glazed and I've let it dry somewhat. And I'm going to get this little tool right here. It's got like a wire attachment on each side that I'm going to use to scrape away the very surface of the clay that has the glaze on it, which will reveal the color of the clay underneath. So you're going to want to choose a design that when you draw it, you're pretty confident you can just get it right the first time. Because once you carve this in there, it's pretty much there. It's not really a great way to erase it. So I chose an organic design. Right now what I'm doing is just sort of blocking off the top with a straight line, well, straight-ish line, and I'm going to block off the bottom as well, and then I'm going to add my organic lines inside of that main area. So as you can see, I've got my top and bottom done, and I'm just drawing and scraping away just a little bit of the surface of the clay as I go. You don't want to dig too deep because you don't want to make a hole all the way through to the inside of your pot. You're also going to have lots of little shavings of clay. As you can see, they're starting to accumulate there on my cloth where I have this thing, so you'll have to wipe off your tool every now and then and clean it off. One reason why I chose to do these freeform shapes is that organic designs are pretty forgiving and you can camouflage mistakes pretty easily, so that's something to consider as you choose your design. So that's pretty much it. There's my whole pot. I didn't include video of the entire thing. It would have just been really long, but I did make a design all the way around 360 around the pot. You can use the same Sgraffito technique on other types of pots. This one is a slab constructed pot, but you could also do it on a pinch pot. Coil pots would be more of a challenge. Okay, thanks for watching my video. I hope that it is helpful to you as you create your Sgraffito pot.